In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Yandex browser on your Windows laptop or PC. So for it, just open any browser and then search for browser.yandex.com, and if you press enter, it will take you to this page, and I will also give this link in the description. Just check it out, and after coming to this link, you just need to click here on this download option. Once you click on download, it will start download a exe file. There you can see yandex.exe, and there you can see the download is complete. Once the download is complete, you just need to double click here, and then you need to click on install. Then give a permission, yes, and there you can see it is downloading some required files for Yandex browser. So this will take around 5 minutes to download. So right now I will just fast forward the video. And there you can see the download is complete. So here please select a search engine for Yandex browser. So we are going to choose Google. And there you can see it opened the Yandex browser over here. So if you want, you can just copy everything from the Google Chrome. For now, I'll just click here skip and continue without login, and it is done. There you can see. So this is how you can download and install Yandex browser on your Windows laptop or PC. I hope this was useful. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.